Hello, in front of me I've got Ford F150. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, let's take a look on the left side of the car. Right here, behind the driver's doors, we've got this lever, simply pull it. Now the hood is unlocked. Let's take a look at it. Once it's unlocked, you have to feel the lever around in the middle of the hood. Push the lever left side, and now you can lift up the hood. The lever is located right here. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.